Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my master bedroom and bathroom. It has been a couple of weeks since I've really cleaned our shower and deep cleaned the vanity and cleaned the mirrors and mopped the floor. I've just been in the habit of cleaning the toilet and wiping down the countertops and calling it a day. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning our bathroom, and then you will see me deep clean our master bedroom as well. So starting out in the bathroom, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is just clearing off our vanity. I don't know about you guys, but our master bathroom gets so trashed every single time I clean it. I feel like it is trashed the next day. Between being rushed to get ready in the morning and Tim getting to work, this bathroom just gets disgusting. So you're just gonna see me putting everything back where it belongs. And then I'm just gonna quickly straighten up underneath of my sink. I feel like it gets really cluttered quickly because I kind of just toss things in there when I'm done with them instead of putting them away nicely. So I'm just gonna pick this up really fast. And then I'm just gonna pick up these miscellaneous items that are on the floor here. And then once I am done with that, I am gonna take our toothbrushes and everything else off of the vanity so that I can clean the mirrors.
Had enough bringing life to others, but I still don't know what else to seek but your smile in the morning hours.
Once I am done with that, I am just gonna go in and spray some Clorox bleach multi-purpose spray and let it sit for a few minutes. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out our shower and take everything out. Moving back over to the countertops, you're just gonna see me wiping them down and really giving this a good scrub. And then once I'm done with that, I feel like the front of our countertops just looked really dirty. There's toothpaste on it and stuff. So you're gonna see me take a Clorox wipe and just wipe it all down. Moving back over to the shower, I'm gonna take that same spray I just used on our countertops and I'm gonna spray down the shower and let it sit for a few minutes. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and clean our toilets. I do try to clean our toilet every couple of days. I'm just weird about toilets. I don't like going more than a few days without having to clean them. They just get really dirty really fast.
Wanna go? Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much.
Once I am done with that, I'm just gonna clean out the shower. My favorite way to clean the shower is to spray the bleach spray that I just did before. And then I like to take a little bit of dish soap and white vinegar. I use Dawn. And I like to mix it up and use it in one of these dish brushes. I feel like it just works so well, and it's really easy to scrub and get into the corners, and it gets everything off.
this is everything with you right next to me. So alive and tonight.
Once I am done with that, the ledge of our shower was really grody and there was a little bit of black mold down here as well. So you're just gonna see me scrubbing this and getting it nice and clean.
So alive and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Once I am done with that, I am just going to take a Lysol wipe and wipe down all of our shampoos, conditioners, body washes, all of that good stuff.
The beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in.
And now you guys didn't see, but I did run the shower to get all of the product off. And now I'm just placing everything back into the shower. So the last thing in here before I mop, I'm just going to take a few Lysol wipes and wipe down all of the outlets and anything that gets touched, like doorknobs, the toilet holder, all of that good stuff, and make sure it's nice and sanitized. And here you're just going to see me taking out the trash. I know some people like to watch this, so this is for you guys.
Take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with.
So the last thing that I'm going to do in the bathroom is just sweep. And then I am going to be using my brand new steam mop. This is actually the first time that I used it. And I loved it, you guys. I feel like it made our floors just feel so clean. And you guys will see at the end of the clip here just how dirty these floors were, which is a little alarming considering I mop in here pretty frequently. But I do show you guys a little clip of the bottom of the pad just to show you how clean these floors are.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one?
Moving into the bedroom, the first thing that I'm going to do is open our curtains, which is something I feel like I never do anymore. And then I'm just going to strip our bed down. Tim has been sick with a gnarly cold, and so I just felt like we really needed to clean our bed and wash all the sheets and make sure everything was nice and clean. My favorite way to do whites is using these OxiClean White Revive packets. They're just like the laundry pods, but they're for the bleach, obviously. And I feel like this keeps our bedding nice and white and bright.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah,
Moving back upstairs, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off our blinds. These weren't really all that dusty, but I just went ahead and did it anyway, just so that it was done.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't.
Once I'm done with that, I am going to dust our fan off. It was so dusty. You can't tell from this clip, but oh my goodness, it was pretty gross. And then I did leave this top sheet on here to collect all the dust from the fan before I took it off, and then that way I can just throw it in the wash.
It's not fair.
And now I'm just going to quickly pick everything up in this room, get all the clothes off the floor, pick up the surfaces, and put everything back where it belongs.
It's a life, but don't give up. Just hold on tight.
Once I am done with that, I am going to clean off our TV screen using one of these electronic wipes by Windex. I really love these. They don't leave any streaks or smudges, and they just work really well.
To be a good man inside, did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to
Once I'm done with that, I am just going to use a little bit of wood cleaner to clean off all of the surfaces in our bedroom.
I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer?
And then while our bedding is still washing, this is later in the day, I am just going to run the vacuum in here, and then that way the last thing that I'm going to do in here is just make our bed.
It'll be alright. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight.
And then like I had mentioned, the last thing that I'm going to be doing in this video is making our bed. There is nothing better than climbing into a bed with fresh sheets after a long, exhausting day.
Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this master bedroom and bathroom deep clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to clean your bedroom and bathroom as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight.